A Polish British writer, regarded as one of the greatest novelists to write in the English language. Though he did not speak English fluently until his 20s, he was a master prose stylist and famous for his novel Heart of Darkness. Is that Joseph Conrad I am talking about? Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Literary Readers. And yes, today's session is going to be on the famous modernist Joseph Conrad. So let's dive into the video and watch the video till the end. Joseph Conrad, who is sometimes referred as a writer of the sea as most of his works are based on his life at sea, was born in the year 1857 and died in 1924. He was born in Poland and later adopted the citizenship of Britain. The theme of most of his works are based on imperialism, realism and colonialism. In the year 1924, he rejected the knighthood award that is considered a British honor. If we talk about the major works by Conrad, then we have his first novel, Almayer's Folly. Published in the year 1895, it was published by T. Fisher Unwin. The novel is based on the theme of colonialism. The story is about the protagonist Almayer, who got married in exchange for money and had a daughter, Nina, and later, because of his bad decisions, spent his life alone in his half-built home, Almayer's Folly. The name of his half-built home is Almayer's Folly. Then we have An Outcast of the Islands, published in the year 1896. The protagonist is Peter Williams. Story of this novel is based on his selfish and immoral works. This work was quoted in T.S. Eliot's The Hollow Man. And then we have The Nigger of the Narcissus, A Tale of Forecastle, published in the year 1897. In the story, we have James Waite and other crew members. The story of this novel deals with the life at sea and relationship between man in extreme circumstances. Then we have the most celebrated work by Conrad, Heart of Darkness, published in the year 1899. Here we have two narrators, Marlowe, who tells his story to the another narrator that is unnamed. The setting of this novel is in Congo in Africa. The theme is based on racism and imperialism. This novel was ranked as 100 best novels from the Modern Library. Then we have Law Jim, published in the year 1900. The story talks about the Marlowe's struggles to tell and to understand the life story of Jim. Next we have The Inheritors, an extravagant story, published in the year 1901. This work was written with the collaboration of the writer Ford Madox Ford. The theme of this novel is corruption and effect of 20th century on British aristocracy. Next we have Nostromo, A Tale of Seaboard, published in the year 1904. The story deals with the fictional South nation Costa Guana. This work was praised by the writer F. Scott Fitzgerald. Then we have The Secret Agent, published in the year 1907. The story is set in London, deals with Mr. Adolph Warlock and his work as a spy for an unnamed country. This novel was influenced by Charles Dickens' novel Bleak House. Then we have Under the Western Eyes, published in the year 1911. It was a response to his own early life. The setting of this novel is in Russia and Switzerland. Then we have two short novels by Conrad, The Shadow Line and Typhoon. And at last we have some critical appreciations and remarks. F.R. Lewis names Jane Austen, George Eliot, Henry James and Joseph Conrad as the great English novelist in English literature in his book The Great Tradition. And Chinua Achebe criticized the novel Heart of Darkness, that is by Conrad, in his book An Image of Africa. So that was all about Joseph Conrad. If you really like the video, then do subscribe to Literary Readers, and if you have any query, then post your comments in the comment section below and keep watching. Thank you.